the thing which solar energy comes, the greenhouse effect is trapped in the greenhouse, and without greenhouse also we can't live on this earth, because without greenhouse effect it will be very cold around to live. So greenhouse effect is required, but nowadays greenhouse effect is extensively spread. So it's very difficult. They say the weather is too hot. Can you tell me the possible effects of global warming? Increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases is known as the phenomena global warming. So I would like to conclude by saying that whatever we have taken from the nature, it's our responsibility, it's our mother right to return it back to the nature, to the